Hi everyone, and thanks for joining our arrangement course. We have put together a selection of theory parts in the beginning of this course and some practical chapters in the second half. This way you can participate in the practical real-time sessions with all the new knowledge and new concepts in mind. The first half will focus on explaining and understanding basic concepts like the pop arrangement and how it relates to club music. We will also talk about the interaction of tension and release, the importance of contrast and dynamic, and in-depth sections on essential parts of modern electronic music. This course requires a lot of listening, and we encourage you to listen carefully with keeping an eye on the corresponding visuals to fully understand the correlations and connections between all these different parts in an arrangement. In the second half, we're going to build complete tracks out of 8-bar loops in detail and show you practical solutions how to turn your first ideas into fully arranged tracks. So now, let's get started.